guys, I am here at RW Wraps to get the new PPF done on my motorcycle. You can see the old PPF has got damaged like this, and over here it has got torn also. So we will remove this entire old PPF and we are getting the new PPF done on my motorcycle. It will be a better quality PPF than the current one because it was looking odd, hence I decided to change the PPF on my motorcycle. So we are going to remove this tank pad also and reinstall it on the new PPF. The final PPF is done and this is how the tank looks. Previously also I just got the tank with the PPF coating. Even now the tank is done and it has been done in 3 pieces. So there is one single piece on the top from here all the way till here, and then this is the second piece, and same goes this side. This is the third piece. You can see the cut over here. So this is a very good quality PPF. It has 180 microns of thickness, which is best in class. If you are thinking why didn't I go to a showroom to get the PPF done, the reason for that is they also do the same PPF, but they charge exorbitant amount of money in order to get it done. They would charge somewhere around 7,000 just for the tank. But on this shop, RW Wraps in Ramkoti, I just did it for 3,000 rupees. That's the amount that they have charged. Last year when I got my motorcycle, that time I got the new PPF done on it. And now after 1 year and 3 months I have changed it. Now it looks new. We just have to install the tank pads and then it will be done. So the tank pad is also installed. They have done a fantastic job of removing and reinstalling the tank pad, and the new PPF also looks great. If you want to get this done, you can come at RW Wraps, and this is their mobile number, and I'll also put the location in the description section down below. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to post your thoughts in the comment section below. With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.